and welcome again to the Hindi classes. So this is the part 15th of your Hindi video classes, and I think the noun part it is like part 8. Okay, so we are discussing the noun chapter in the Hindi spoken classes. Just a second. Okay. Like where we are here. So we already discussed this part, relation in Hindi, based on time in Hindi, weekdays, flowers, colors, fruits and vegetables, cereals, animals, birds and others. In others part there are like miscellaneous type of things, and we have discussed in the miscellaneous part like some word meanings and glossaries which we used in our daily life. So let's see today the glossaries which we use like by profession and sorry by profession and here by profession, and we also have to see like what we called numbers in Hindi. Okay, so let's start our today's session and let's see what we have. I hope I am visible and as well as audible too. Just a second so I can view and as well as the PPT also. Okay, yes. So here you can see there are numbers written, and the number in Hindi it is called what it is called Sankhya. Okay, number in Hindi it is called Sankhya. How we will pronounce this is Sankhya, Sankhya. Okay, Sankhya. So here are the numbers. I have taken like from 1 to 10 numbers, and that is only required for you now. And if we in the advanced classes we will see ahead of this. Okay, so let's see from here. This is 1. Okay, let's see 0 first. So this is 0, and 0 in Hindi it is called shunya. Shunya, what it is? Shunya. Here it is written shunya, shunya, shunya. Here you can see this is called sha in Hindi. There are 3 types of sha in Hindi. Like I will introduce you in the verbal part and in the vowel and consonant part. Okay, so 0 in Hindi it is called shunya. 0 in Hindi it is called shunya. 1 in Hindi it is called ek. Ek, what it is? Ek. 2 in Hindi do. 2 in Hindi do. 3 in Hindi teen. 3 in Hindi teen. 4 in Hindi char. 4 in Hindi char. Don't pronounce this word like Tina. It will be a name. Okay, so the ta will be pronounced like t. Sorry, the t will be pronounced like ta. Ta. Okay, like in the Russian language I have seen like some people pronounce like d is like da. Okay, so that is the thing will be applied here. So let's focus on this. 3 in Hindi is teen. 3 in Hindi is teen. 4 in Hindi is char. 4 in Hindi is char. 5 in Hindi is panch. 5 in Hindi panch. 6 in Hindi chh. What it is? Chh. Okay. 7 in Hindi saat. 7 in Hindi saat. 8 in Hindi आठ. What it is? आठ. 9 in Hindi नौ. 9 in Hindi नौ. 10 in Hindi 10. 10 in Hindi 10. So it is very easy if you like all the words pronounced together and in a poem form like we will start from the 1. Okay, and we will see 0 in the last. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. In our Bollywood there are song in these numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, that's it. And what we call 1 in Hindi 1, 2 in Hindi 2, 3 in Hindi 3, 4 in Hindi 4, 5 in Hindi 5, 6 in Hindi 6, 7 in Hindi 7, 8 in Hindi 8, 9 in Hindi 9, 10 in Hindi 10. Okay, so repeat after me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and number, what it is called? Number in Hindi संख्या. संख्या. Number in Hindi संख्या. And 0 in Hindi शून्य. 0 in Hindi शून्य. 0 in Hindi शून्य. Here we have the words in Hindi by profession. Okay, so if you are a doctor, so what you call in Hindi doctor? It is called chikitsak. 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 Doctor in Hindi chikitsak. Lawyer in Hindi vakil. Lawyer in Hindi vakil. Lawyer in Hindi vakil. Dentist in Hindi dant chikitsak. Dant chikitsak. Writer in Hindi lekhak. Writer in Hindi lekhak. Banker, it is also banker. And secretary in Hindi, it is called sachiv. Secretary in Hindi is called sachiv. 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 Engineer. Engineer. Farmer in Hindi, it is called kisan. What it is? Kisan. Kisan. You have heard of the Kisan Jam, and that it is farmer in Hindi, it is called Kisan. Okay, Kisan. Carpenter in Hindi, it is called Badhai. Badhai. What it is? Badhai. Okay, Badhai. Carpenter in Hindi, Badhai. Architect in Hindi is Vastukar. 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 Postman in Hindi, it is called Dakiya. Here it is not written, but the meaning of postman in Hindi, it is called Dakiya. 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 Postman in Hindi, Dakiya. Let me write here. Postman in Hindi is Dakiya. Okay, and architect you already know. Here it is written Vastukar. Vastukar. Okay, postman in Hindi Dakiya. Architect in Hindi Vastukar. Carpenter in Hindi Badhai. Badhai. Okay, this is called Badhai. Farmer in Hindi Kisan. Here it is written engineer, engineer. Secretary Sachiv. Secretary Sachiv. Secretary Sachiv. Banker, banker. Writer Lekhak. Writer Lekhak. Dentist Dant Chikitsak. Dentist Dant चिकित्सक, डॉक्टर, चिकित्सक, lawyer, वकील, lawyer, वकील. Okay, so let's revise number and these words by profession. Just a second. Okay, so number in Hindi, संख्या. Number in Hindi, संख्या. 0 in Hindi, शून्य. 1 in Hindi, एक. 2 in Hindi, दो. 3 in Hindi, तीन. 4 in Hindi, चार. 5 in Hindi, पांच. 6 in Hindi, छह. 7 in Hindi, सात. 8 in Hindi, आठ. 9 in Hindi, नौ. 10 in Hindi, दस. Okay, and 0 in Hindi, शून्य. Number in Hindi, it is called संख्या. संख्या. डॉक्टर इन हिंदी चिकित्सक, लॉयर इन हिंदी वकील, डेंटिस्ट इन हिंदी दंत चिकित्सक, राइटर इन हिंदी लेखक, बैंकर इन हिंदी बैंकर, सेक्रेटरी इन हिंदी सचिव, इंजीनियर you also called engineer, farmer in हिंदी किसान, किसान, कारपेंटर इन हिंदी बढ़ई, बढ़ई, आर्किटेक्ट इन हिंदी वास्तुकार, वास्तुकार, पोस्टमैन इन हिंदी डाकिया, postman in Hindi डाकिया. So these all the words which we had learned today, and this is from the noun section, and from today noun is completed, and in the next class we will move forward for the pronouns. Okay, so we will complete all those parts of speeches. Here it is the pronoun slide, which we will see in our next class, and we will complete whole part of the speech section, and then we will use those words in our like small sentence, and we will make sentence from them. And also I will give you some 500 words, like words and sentences also, which you will use in your daily life. And yes, you can speak Hindi language very well. So let's end this class today from here. And this is all for today. Thank you. Thank you for joining the Hindi classes. Thank you again.